Configuring and using PTZ enhancements helps clients recognize, react to, and investigate incidents effectively. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to adjust the timeout for manual and reserved PTZ sessions on a specific camera, so it differs from the default settings. In the Site Navigation pane, we click Devices. Then click Cameras. We want to adjust the East PTZ camera, so click East PTZ. In the Properties pane, we'll click the Presets tab. We scroll down the Properties pane. To edit the default timeout, we select the Timeout for Manual PTZ Session checkbox. Next, let's increase the timeout to 30 seconds. Click the Time selector to do this. When leaving a tab, you will be asked if you want to save the changes. Let's select the Info tab to trigger that prompt. Click Yes to save the changes. You just saw how to adjust the timeout for manual and reserved PTZ sessions on a specific camera, so it differs from the default settings. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.